Out with the old muffler. What is up, guys? It's another day with the Auto Works. Today we are back with the GTI, and I think it's time we make this thing a little bit louder. Now, it does sound pretty good for what it is. Right now it's currently a 3-inch downpipe catless to the factory muffler in the back. There's no resonator on it, ain't nothing like that. The bugs are horrible out here, so if you see me swatting, you know why. But yeah, it's alright, and I'll go ahead and throw a clip in from the previous video, let you see exactly what it sounds like. So that's what we got so far, guys, and like I said, it's pretty nice, man. It's not too bad. I enjoy it. It's quiet for what it is, but you know, we want something a little more bite, give a little more attention. So as you guys might know, I'm based out of Wendell, North Carolina, and I got a guy that I always take my stuff to. His name's Don, and he's very reliable. He does great work at a very fair price at Wedgwood Muffler in Zebulon. So let's go check him out and let's see what he can do for this old GTI. Alright guys, so I just got back from Don. He did a great job on it, and man, it sounds awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and throw a few clips in right here, and you guys let me know what you think. Alright guys, so that's the exhaust for the GTI. I think it sounds awesome. It came out great. It does need a new tip. As you probably saw in the video, it's straight just pipe right now. So Don told me bring back a tip whenever and get it put on. So I'm kind of thinking a burnt tip would look great on the GTI. But I've kind of been going over the videos, guys, and congratulations, Whitley Auto Works family. We are at 100 videos officially. I started this back in 2018, and I'm up to 471 subscribers, and I appreciate every single one of you. I've been looking at the video analyticals and stuff like that here lately and seeing that my best watched videos are my paint videos. I got one Rust-Oleum video I did where it was basically a 3-year review of the truck. If you haven't seen it already, go check it out. It's over 20,000 views, and I can't be happier, guys. You know, I'd love to get up to 1,000, get monetized like everybody else, but I know that'll come with time, you know, if you guys like it. And honestly, it's all up to you guys. You know, I'm putting videos out there little by little, trying to do what I can. I know I need to do a lot more, but hey, if you guys share me and more people subscribe, I'll be able to do a whole lot more. So it's up to you guys what you want to see. Drop me a comment below, interact with me a little bit. I've had that on some of the other videos. You know, if you like GTIs, let me know what you drive. You know, just anything, just drop me a comment below. Let me know what you think of my videos. Am I doing a good job? Do I need to be more involved, more upbeat? I don't know, you tell me. But we do have a lot more coming. Cressida's back now, but we're still waiting on that daggone body kit, and that's kind of holding us up from being able to do anything else with that. I've got a couple other people that want to do paint jobs, but they're waiting on their stuff to come in. So that's kind of where I'm at. I got more stuff on the way for the GTI I want to do, but I'm kind of back and forth about changing the color and stuff like that. We're going to do something though, I promise you. I'm going to be putting out videos regardless. You know, we got to get it done. Anyways, that's about all I got for you right now. I know this video was kind of short and sweet, not a whole lot. Like I said, congratulations, Whitley Auto Works family. We're at over 100 videos now officially, and I'm just going to keep on going. So if you guys enjoy it, like, share, comment, subscribe, do all the things you know what to do, and I'll see you guys on the next video.